Hello, dear students. Welcome to Mastan Accounts Academy, where accounting becomes simple through concept-oriented classes. We have did number of models under diminishing balance method. When rate of depreciation is given, when sale of an asset is given, when more than one asset is purchased, and now we are in the model of when more than one asset is purchased and existing assets are sold. So this is the model that we are in discussing one now at present. So, dear students, what is the examination point of view means mainly the examination point of sale of asset will be given for subject sake. I am discussing every model I'm going to discuss the in the depreciation topic. So మీకు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ మాత్రమే కావాలంటే సేల్ ఆఫ్ అసెట్ ఫోకస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు బికాస్ 80 to 90% కేసెస్ లో ఎక్కువ అదే మోడల్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. కానీ సబ్జెక్ట్ పెంచుకోవడానికి మీకు ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఆ సబ్జెక్టివిటీ పెంచడానికి మాత్రమే ఈ మోడల్స్ అన్ని డిస్కస్ చేసి మొత్తం కవర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో we are going to discuss same model that we discussed in the previous video when more than one asset is purchased and another asset is sold. Let's go through the question, dear students. So, dear students, go through the question, please. Sri Venkateshwara Industries purchased a plant on 1st January 2021. So, the purchase date is 1st January 2021. What is the value of the first machinery purchase? It is purchased for 3 lakhs. Another plant was purchased on 1st July 2022 for rupees 2,50,000. And depreciation is charged at a rate of 15% per annum. Rate of depreciation is 15%. As usual, it is under reducing balance method, dear students. So 15%. Okay. On 1st October 2023, the first plant was sold for 2,10,000. It is not necessary to sold only first plant. Even the second plant can also sell. So ఏది అమ్మితే దానికి సంబంధించిన డిప్రిసియేషన్ తీసుకొని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సోల్డ్ లెస్ దెన్ బుక్ వాల్యూ లాస్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సోల్డ్ మోర్ దెన్ బుక్ వాల్యూ ఇట్స్ ప్రాఫిట్. దట్స్ ఇట్. And the books are closed on 31st December every year. So it is indicating that they are following the calendar year as a financial year and show the planned account up to 31st December 2023. So we have to complete the answer up to 31st December 2023. So dear students, what I supposed to tell here? The question is saying that on 1/1/2021 purchase for 3 lakhs. On 1st July 2022 they purchase another machinery for 2.5 lakhs, and that is plant. And what is the rate of depreciation? The rate of depreciation is 15% under reducing balance method. On October 2023, they have been sold the first plant for 2,10,000 and books are closing on 31st December every year. So they are asking to prepare the plant account for 31/12/2023. So let's do the answer, dear students. So the heading is plant account. Heading is plant account. Plant account already format lo unna manam. So date is first on 1/1/2021 to bank account. To bank account, the first machinery value, dear students, it is 3 lakhs. And they're following the calendar year, so 31st December 21. By depreciation account. From the question, we can say that in the 2021, they have not purchased any second machinery. They purchased in the year 2022 July. So first machinery is in the 2021 only one machinery purchase. So calculate the depreciation for that particular machine or plant. 3 lakhs into the first one. 3 lakhs into 15/100, and it is utilized for the full year. Full year what I'm got, no need to calculate the proportionate period. It is for full year, so 45,000. So just close the account here. Close the account here. 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs minus 45,000. We'll discuss now by balance carried down. By balance carried down, dear students, it comes to 2,55,000. 2,55,000. So we'll go to the next year, that is 1st January 2022. 1st January 2022 to balance brought down. 2,55,000. And what we can notice here, they purchased the second machinery in this year in the month of July, that is 1st July 2022. Question బాగా చదివినాం కదా కాబట్టి క్లారిటీగా గుర్తుండాలా, లేకుంటే చెక్ చేసుకునే డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు టు బ్యాంక్ and indicate 2. And what is the second cost, second machinery value or second plant value is 2,50,000 and 31/12/2022. Is there any machinery sold in the second year ma, check it once again. So July lo second machinery కొన్నట్లు క్లారిటీ ఉంది మనకి. బట్ ఫస్ట్ machinery sold in 2023. సో 23 లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి just calculate the depreciation for both machines. For first machine full year, second machine proportionate period by depreciation. First machinery diminishing balance method got end chedam. The value of the first machinery is 3 lakhs and 45,000 is the depreciation. So first machinery value 3 లక్షలు ఉంది, దాని యొక్క depreciation 45,000. సో మనం diminishing balance method కాబట్టి దాని యొక్క బ్యాలెన్స్ కనుక్కుందాం. ఇక్కడ 3 lakhs minus 45,000 is equal to, ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తున్నాను, 2,55,000 into 15/100 into 15/100. Calculate చేయండి, మీకు ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. You will get 38,250. And this 38,250 is related to first plant. Okay. And second plant purchased on 2 అని రాస్తున్నాను. 2,50,000 on July. So what I supposed to do? The first plant purchased in this year only. So balance is original cost. 2,50,000 into 15/100 into 6/12. So 2,50,000 into 15/100 6/12 calculate ma. You will get 18,750. 18,000. So 38,000 plus 18,750. So just make the total here. 38,000 plus 18,000, 8, 16, 56 and 57,000. So total depreciation for both plants comes to 57,000. 57,000. So what you have to make analysis here? The total depreciation is 57,000. Out of 57,000, first plant depreciation is 38,250 and second plant is 18,750. Let's balance the account. 2,55,000 plus 2,50,000. So you'll get 5,05,000. 5,05,000. From 5,05,000 minus 57,000. ఈ 5,05,000 నుంచి 57,000 less చేయండి by balance carried down. So 5,05,000 లో 57 పోతే 5,00,000 లో 50 with 2,50,000 and we'll get 4,50,000 and 2,000, 4,48,000. So you will get here 4,48,000. So in this 4,48,000 you have two plants. Okay. So 1/1/2023 1/1/2023 to balance brought down 4,48,000. And on 1st October 23 they sold the first machinery. So what I am supposed to do? By depreciation I am supposed to calculate the depreciation for this first plant exclusively and proportionately. Okay, exclusively first machinery the proportionate పెట్టాలి. ఎలా చేద్దాం? First plant విలువ ఎంత ఉంది last year లో? What is the value of the first plant previous year? 2,55,000. And what is the depreciation? 38,250. You can notice here 2,55,000 and 38,250. So what I supposed to do? 2,55,000 minus 38,250 is equals to 2,16,750 into 15/100 into 9/12. So dear students, calculate on 2,16,750 at the rate of 15% for proportionate period of 9 months. You'll get 24,384. 24,384. On the same day, the plant have been sold for on 1/10/23. They have been sold for 2,10,000. So by bank bracket low indication sale for how much it is sold? It is sold for 2,10,000. I am writing that also. Now what's our responsibility? What's our duty? We have to calculate either profit or loss on sale of that particular plant. So let's do the answer. That is working note ma. మనం వర్కింగ్ నోట్లో వెళ్ళి plant profit or loss calculate చేద్దాం. Okay. So first of all, what is supposed to write here? Value of plant, same procedure ma. Value of plant as on 1/1/21. మనం అమ్మింది ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ విలువ ఎంత? ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ వాల్యూ is 3 lakhs. The first plant value is 3 lakhs. Do remember. Okay, dear students, less depreciation, less depreciation up to date, less depreciation up to date. Less depreciation up to date. Okay, so on 31/12/21, the first full year the depreciation comes to 45,000, and 31/12/22 the depreciation amount comes to 38,250, and 1st October 23 they have been sold for the part of the year. So what is the depreciation here? 24,384 rupees. 24,384. ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ? We have calculated the depreciation relating to the first plant. First year 45,000, second year 38,250, and third year proportionate period, that just we have calculated 24,384 we got ma. Make the total of all these three. ఈ total చేయండి 45,000, 38,250, 24,384. మూడు యాడ్ చేయండి, you'll get 1,07,634 rupees. So deduct it ma, deduct it, you'll get 1,92,366. And this is our book value. This is our book value. So mana book value entante 1,92,366. And dear students, less sold value. Question lo sold value clear ichadu. The sold value is 2,10,000. So what we can notice here, it is sold more than the book value. Book value కంటే ఎక్కువ కమ్ముకున్నాం. సో మన బుక్ వాల్యూ 1,92,366 ఉంది, కానీ ఎంత కమ్మినాం? 2,10,000 కి అమ్మినాం. ఎంత ఎక్కువ కమ్మినాం అంటే we made a profit of 17,634, and it is a profit. So from this statement what we have ascertained means the ascertained is a profit on sale of plant. How we ascertain means very simple technique we applied here. The book value, opening value is 3 lakhs. Depreciation for particular plant for 4 years is 1,07,634. The book value comes to 1,92,366, and sold value is more than the book value, so obviously it's a profit. So let's go to the main answer now. After completion of working note, just go to the main answer. We have taken all the things we have taken by bank also. Now just write here 110/23 to profit and loss account. Within bracket write profit, within bracket write profit, and profit is how much, dear students? 17,634 rupees. If you have any doubt, just write here see working note, see working note. And what next we have to do? Just first machinery, first plant closed, first plant depreciation taken 24,384. సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి, మనం ఆ 45,000, ఈ 38,250, ఈ 24,384 వేసి మనం వర్కింగ్ నోట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ ది క్లోజ్ అయింది, ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ డిప్రిసియేషన్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ సేల్ వాల్యూ కన్సిడర్ చేసాం, ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ అమ్మింటే ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, అది కూడా తీసుకున్నాం. ఇంకా ఏం మిగిలింది దగ్గర? సెకండ్ ప్లాంట్ మిగిలింది. సో ఏం చేద్దాం? ఫస్ట్ we are supposed to calculate up to 31/12/23. So I am taking 31st December 2023 by depreciation bracket లో 2. So 2 ఎలా చేద్దాం? What is the second value, plant value here? 2,50,000 here, and the depreciation relating to the first plant is 18,750. So what I supposed to do? 2,50,000 minus, సో డిమినిషింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ మెకానిజం ఇదే కదా, దాని యొక్క ప్రీవియస్ వాల్యూ నుంచి ప్రీవియస్ డిప్రిసియేషన్ తీసేయాలి. సో 2,50,000 నుంచి 18,750 మైనస్ చేద్దామా. 18,750 మైనస్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ 2,31,250 into 15/100. If you calculate the depreciation for the full year, because first plant have been sold on October 1st 2023, but second plant is retained, so till the end of the accounting year, or you can say calendar year. Okay, so what is the depreciation for the second plant? That second plant value is 2,50,000 previous year, and previous year depreciation is 18,750. So you'll get 2,31,250 into 15/100. You will get 34,688. మీరు రఫ్ వర్క్ లో క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసుకోండి. డిగ్రీ సిఏ ఫౌండేషన్ వల్ల అయితే క్యాల్కులేటర్స్ వాడి చేసుకోండి మా. దట్స్ ఇట్ మా. నో ఐఎమ్ మేకింగ్ ద టోటల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డెబిట్ టోటల్. ఆల్వేస్ డెబిట్ ఈస్ హయ్యర్. సో టేకింగ్ ద debit total here, 4,48,000 plus 17,634, you will get 4,65,634. 7,411. One second, ma. I will check once again. So you'll get 4,65,634 on both sides. 4,65,634. From this 4,65,634, deduct all these ledger balances. That is 24,384 minus change, 2,10,000 minus change, 34,688 minus change. If you deduct all these items, what is the balance you'll get? By balance carried down, you'll get 1,96,562. 1,96,562. And write it here just 1/1/2024 to balance brought down. What's the amount? 1 lakh. It's a, sorry, 1 minute. It's a 1,95,000. So you'll get how much? 1,96,000. Double check cheskuntunna ante 1,96,562. So the value of plant is 1,96,562. Which plant it is? Either first one or second one. First one have been closed. Undoubtedly it is a second one. Undoubtedly it's what ma? Second one. So dear students, once again I'm going to revise it ma. So what's the revision? We have purchased a plant on 1/1/21 for 3 lakhs. In this financial year, we have not purchased any other machinery. We have not sold any existing plant, neither purchased nor sold. So what I did, just simply on 3 lakhs 15% for full year 45,000, balance with 2,55,000. I got it. To balance brought down 2,55,000. In this financial year, we purchased 1st July 2022, that is for 2.5 lakh. So by depreciation, what I did, ma, first plant is 3 lakhs value. The depreciation related to the first plant is 45,000. So balance is 2,55,000 to 15 by 100, 38,250. This 38,250 related to the first plant. And second plant purchased in this year, that is 2,50,000 to 15 by 100 to 6 by 12, 18,750. So dear students, what I can notice here, total together comes to 57,000. Out of it, 38,250 related to the first plant and 18,750 related to the second plant. Just balance చేశాను 4,48,000 వచ్చింది. 1/1/23కి 4,48,000. 1/10/23 ఈ ఇయర్ లో ఏం జరిగిందంటే ఒక ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ప్లాంట్ ని అమ్మేసుకున్నాం. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ప్లాంట్ ఏది అమ్మినాం? ఫస్ట్ వన్ సెకండ్ వన్? క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ వన్ అన్నాడు. సో ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ, ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ విలువ ఎంత ఉంది? 2,55,000 ఉంది. దాని యొక్క డిప్రిసియేషన్ సపరేట్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా, నేను ప్రీవియస్ మంత్ కూడా చెప్పాను. ఇలా సపరేట్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల మనకి చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది సేల్ ఆఫ్ అసెట్లు. మళ్ళీ సపరేట్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో 2-3 వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ ఇచ్చింటారు, అవన్నీ లేకుండా సింప్లిఫై చేసాం ఇక్కడ. ఈ 2,55,000 38,250 ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ 2,55,000 లో 38,250 మైనస్ చేసి బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? 2,16,750 into 15 by 100 into 9 by 12, 24,384. బై బ్యాంక్ సేల్ వాల్యూ 2,10,000 వేసుకున్నాను. వేసుకున్న వెంటనే ఏం చేస్తాను నేను, ఐ హావ్ డన్ ద వర్కింగ్ నోట్. వర్కింగ్ నోట్ ఏంది? క్యాల్కులేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ అండ్ సేల్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్. ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ అండ్ సేల్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్ ఎలా చేస్తామని ఇక్కడ అంటే, సో ఒకసారి అది కూడా చెక్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్ ఎంత ఉంది? 3 lakhs ఉంది. And depreciation up to date is clearly mentioned 45,000, 38,250 and 24,384. Together comes to 1,07,634. And book value is 1,92,366. And sold value more than the book value, that is 2,10,000. So profit, how much you got, ma? 17,634 we did, and that profit have been considered in the answer. Where you have considered the answer, ma? To profit and loss account 17,634. From this, ఫైనలీ వీ హ్యావ్ క్లోజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ అకౌంట్. ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ అకౌంట్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాను, వెంటనే బై డిప్రిసియేషన్, ఇక్కడ 2 అని రాసాం కదా, 2. మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో మీ చాప్టర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? 24,384, 34,688 క్లబ్ చేసేసింటారు. అది కూడా ఒక మోడల్, అది కూడా ఒక ప్రొసీజర్. కానీ నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఎక్కడి దగ్గర సపరేట్ చేయడం వల్ల మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది, క్లియర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో 2,50,000 is the second plant value previous year, 18,750 is the depreciation. So 2,31,250 and its second plant utilized for the full year, so 15,100. The depreciation of the second plant for the next year comes to 34,688. జస్ట్ ఈ రెండు టోటల్ చేస్తే 4,65,634. 4,65,634 నుంచి మొత్తం మైనస్ చేస్తే 1,96,562 వచ్చింది. అండ్ 1,96,562 is the balance of the asset on 1/1/2024. Which plant, either first or second, means obviously second. First plant is closed. Okay, dear students. So I'm going to give one practice question for you. So practice చేయండి అందరూ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని. జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ని జస్ట్ పాస్ పెట్టి రాసుకోండి. వీడియోని పాస్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకుని మీరు ఓన్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి మా. బట్ జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఓవర్ వ్యూ, దట్స్ ఇట్ మా. What the question saying here? Illustration number 15. So under diminishing balance method, we have done 15 problems, and what you can say ma, under FM models I did 17 to 18. So total together 32 to 33 videos only for depreciation chapter I did ma. So ప్రతి ఒక్క మోడల్ ని కవర్ చేస్తూ చేయడం జరిగింది. So Sri Lakshmi Engineering Works purchased a plant on 1st April 2021. Dates were very, very important. For how much it is purchased ma? It is purchased for 4 lakhs. It is purchased for 4 lakhs. So first plant value date 1st April 21 for 4 lakhs. Another plant was purchased on 1st October 2022 for rupees 3,20,000. Second plant date and second plant amount is given. And depreciation is charged. What is the rate of depreciation? It's under 10% per annum. Under reducing balance method, as usual, we are doing this method only at present. Okay, dear students. On 1st July 23, the first plant was sold for 3,05,000. So first plant, it has been sold on 1st July 2023, and the books are closed on 31st December every year, means they are following calendar year. So prepare the plant account for the year ending 2021, 2022, 23. So 3 years you have to open. 21 క్లోజ్ కావాలి, 22, 23 ఈ 3 సంవత్సరాలు ఏం జరిగింది? 2 ప్లాంట్స్ కొన్నాం, ఒక ప్లాంట్ అమ్మినాం. అండ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రిసియేషన్ 10% అండర్ రెడ్యూసింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ మెథడ్. సో యూఆర్ సపోజ్ టు do this self practice question. It's a self practice question. Hope you will do this practice question ma. That's it for today. Thank you to all. Have a good day to all of you, dear students.